Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm super excited to have you join me today as I share with you another Scrapdiva Designs design team project. And today I will be sharing the jam jars with you. Before I show you my project, let's go ahead and look at the dies and what you get in the set. The first one is a larger jam jar, and this one measures about 3 1/8 inches long, and at the widest point it is 2.5 inches. You get your base, you get your outline to make your shaker, you get a label, so you have a plain die here and a stitch die here that goes on top, and then that can go where you would normally see a label on your jam jar. And then you get a lid, and the lid has several different designs in that does imprint into your designer paper. Then the small one, you get the base, also the outline to make your shaker, your plain backing for your label and the stitched label, and also the lid. So let me take a drink. I'm having problems today with my allergies. I'm going to lose my voice. Okay, that's helped me. So let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And to all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So I will have an affiliate link in the description box below for these dies. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use the affiliate link. The affiliate link helps me in my channel, and I appreciate very much when you use the link. Also, you can use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So this is what I created with my jam jars. And this is a recipe book. And I followed a tutorial from RoseKelly. And it was called 1 Hour to Craft, episode number 4. And I will give you a hint if you want to go ahead and make this. What I did is I watched the video first, and while I was watching the video, I wrote down all the cuts I needed to make on paper, and I also wrote down the score lines I needed to do, and then I went back and watched the video and followed along. If you want to go ahead and do your score lines and all that before you watch again, that again will help you to create your book. And I did create this in an hour. So the basic book was created in an hour, and then I went back and decorated it, and that was a lot of fun. So here you can see the jam jar and how absolutely adorable it is. I love this die. I'll bring it up close so you can see it. I did make it a shaker, and then I decorated it with strawberries. And I wanted to do a strawberry recipe book to remind me from the time that I used to live in Connecticut and would live near farms and would go picking strawberries and making preserves. So that's something I wanted to do with this die. And of course, you see the strawberries and the little strawberry blossoms here. And then I will turn my book over and you can see the back. And this is some paper that I created, so you won't be able to find it to purchase it. And I'll see if I can make it available to you at some point for free. I'm not ready for that yet. It's messed up. I'm still learning. But yeah, I'll try to make it available to you. So when you open this up, you'll see you have 4 pockets over here. And I have recipe cards. They got little strawberries on that. And I did find this file on the internet for free. And I try to use all my paper. I try not to waste anything. And you will find this at jenbpeters.com. She has several free printables over there. And I found these recipe cards and I thought they would be perfect for my album. And they are double-sided, which is awesome. So I got a little strawberry on that side and then a plethora of strawberries on the front. It really goes well with my album. And then this is just a little cutout from the paper. And isn't that beautiful? I love it. And I had to do sort of like a pink strawberry type of theme. So this folds out. It's like an accordion fold. And I wanted to showcase the paper. If you want to make yours with pockets, all pockets, by all means, go ahead and do that. But like I said, I wanted to showcase my paper. I wanted something to look at that was pretty when I use this. Here is my first pocket. This is the small jam jar, and you can see I put a little strawberry on top of my label, little bow on top of my jar, and then I put some more recipe cards in here. What's nice about this type of a book is if you print recipes off the internet, you can fold them and put them in the pockets, or if you cut recipes out of a magazine, you can also store them in the pockets. I just love this page. I think it's so pretty with the strawberries and the gingham on there. On this side, we have another pocket, and here I have another small jam jar. And this one I put the word love on the label and decorated with some strawberry dies that I had. These strawberry dies come from, Cottage Cuts. And then I just put a piece of paper here to, to emphasize this pretty paper. I just love that. I think it's so pretty. And then this goes over this side and it opens this way. And here I have the large jam jar, and this is the same size as what's on the cover of my mini album or recipe book. And it's really, really cute. I put a bigger bow on this one, and you can see the design that's cut right into the jar lid. Makes it look realistic. Used more strawberries here. This is another strawberry die I had in my stash, and I don't know where that came from. Probably AliExpress. And I have more recipe cards in here. And then this flips over this way. And I love this page with the strawberries. And here I have another jam jar. This one I did not make it to a shaker because my book was getting pretty thick. And it does, if you look here, it has a 1/4 inch gusset. And I didn't want my book to be too fat. I didn't want to have to put ribbon to tie it. I just wanted it plain. So I just did a embellishment type jam jar without the shaker in it. And here I have more of the strawberry recipe cards. So that is my project for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.